Hello everyone! Welcome to my mini video on Holland American Cruise Ship. And this one here is ported over in Vancouver, British Columbia. And it's going to be heading off to Alaska. So you're getting another view of the ship. You get a bunch of different angles. I actually am going to be going on a cruise. For those who have been on this ship before, do you remember where your room was? Was it on this side? If you're going to be going to cruises in April, I would bring sweaters.